this is the ultimate meat tenderizer. It's really sturdy. It comes with two sides, one to flatten the meat and one to tenderize it. I really like that it has this handle, which it makes it more comfortable to use, and so it won't slip out of your hand. It's also dishwasher safe, which is super nice. That's pretty much a must in our home. So yeah, I'll show you how it works. So I'm just gonna, with the one side, you just go ahead and flatten it out. So it flattens the meat in seconds. Then the other side breaks down the muscle tissue. And this is all going to make it cook faster and more evenly.